the Ipsy Glam bag and the Boxycharm by Ipsy box for the month of October. I know I'm super late this month because your girl was sick, okay? I just had so many issues. My son fell, like it was just like one thing after the other. But we're gonna keep it moving. I am not gonna be doing a try on just because there really wasn't much to try on in here and not a lot of things that I wanted to actually keep. And they do send me this for review purpose, but let's just go ahead and get into it. First up, we have the Glam bag. And I think that this bag is so cute. It's like a little vampire-y kind of theme to it, and it has the little bat for the little bag. When you open it, there are quite a few products in here. I think I'm going to keep some and then send some to my goddaughter. I actually just sent her 2 boxes full of makeup because I've been decluttering and taking out like duplicates, and I don't want to have like backups of anything. So I've been just wanting to, you know, I don't want anything to expire. So I've been really giving away stuff. And, you know, this collection has just gotten out of hand, okay? Soon you guys will be seeing these declutter videos. I had to divide it up probably into like 4 or 5 videos because it was insane. I decluttered probably like over 30 palettes, which... whew. So now I have under 200 again, and I want to be super picky as to what I let into my collection. So do with that what you will. Okay, so first thing in here is the Ace Beauté Seal It. This is like a little mini setting spray. I've never tried their setting spray before, so I will see. I'm gonna look up reviews, and if it's good, I might keep it just to test it out. But if not, I'm going to send it to my goddaughter. Next up, we have the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. This has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. I absolutely love Dr. Brandt's products, so I think that this is something that I will go ahead and incorporate, especially since I will be traveling soon. Next product in here is the, it's called Pink Lips, and this is just like a clear kind of champagne-y looking lip gloss. It's called Pearl. I'm going to send this to my goddaughter. I know that she'll get a lot more use because I literally just decluttered so freaking many, and I don't want to overwhelm my collection. And I have so many that are similar to this, especially like this Patrick Tall one is kind of similar to it, where they don't really give a lot of color to the lips. It just gives kind of like that glittery beautifulness to the lips. But yeah, I need to tone down my collection, but this looks absolutely beautiful, and I know that my goddaughter will use this a lot more than I will. Likewise, this is the collagen serum from Avant, and they have a lot of nice things, but I've been trying to really use up my skincare as well. And then last is something that I'm kind of curious to test out. This is by the Beauty Crop, and it's a gripping primer. And I love me this one right here by Milk. This is the Hydro Grip. So I'm really curious if this smells like cherries or if it's very similar to the, what's it called? To the Hydro Grip. Because I know the Beauty Crop, if I'm not mistaken, is a little bit more affordable. So let's go ahead and just test a little bit of this out. Okay, so it's very similar to that gel formula. It doesn't have any smell. We will test this out and see. So we shall see. But it doesn't smell like cherries or anything. It just has the color. But it says it's formulated with cherry extract and hyaluronic acid. And it does have like that tackiness to the skin. Like it leaves the skin a little bit sticky, which is really good for gripping your primer. And that is everything that is in the bag. I feel like the bag is really, really good this month. It has the mixture of skincare with some of the makeup, and the products that they had for makeup, like the primer and the lip gloss, are really, really nice. So the bag is super cute for Halloween. Next, we have the Ipsy box, or the Boxycharm by Ipsy box. First thing in here is the AMLA Powered Clean Beauty Aloe Glow System. I have never heard of this brand before, and it's supposed to be like a moisturizer. Let me see what it looks like. Oh my God, it's huge. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's supposed to have like vitamin C. It's supposed to have aloe, avocado oil, marula oil. I might keep this and test it out. I've really been wanting something that's super moisturizing. Oh my God, this kind of reminds me of like Nivea. It's so thick and like very moisturizing. So I'm going to keep this and see how I like it. And it doesn't have any scent to it, which is really nice. It says that it has the extraordinary power of amla, which is super berries that are supposed to help with your skin. So we're going to see about this baby. I've never heard of, like I said, I've never heard of aloe. Let me know if you guys know, because sometimes you guys will be like, girl, don't give that away. It's so good, or it's such a high-end brand, or whatever it is. Next, we have the Glow and Repair Balance Me and AHA Glow Mask. This has glycolic acid, colon clay, and lidin. It's supposed to be like a deep purifying and give you more glow to your skin in 15 minutes. It's a chemical exfoliation. I will be giving this away, sadly, because my skin just does not take well to chemicals, especially like retinol, anything that's for like too much exfoliating or chemical peeling. My skin will just peel and become ultra dry, which it already is. And yeah, so we're just going to give that away. Next is actually what I have on my lips. I did go ahead and put this on my lips to show you guys. I love Huda Beauty. Her liquid matte is like more of the more comfortable ones. And I love the fact that I can just wear a little bit of lip balm underneath it. It still dries down, but it doesn't look like it's just, you know, when you get that all like cracky and old looking lips. I don't like that. So I really, really love her formula. The shades that she has in her lineup are just chef's kiss beautiful. I love her demi, I think it's called like demi matte one. I love all her formulas with her lip products. They're absolutely amazing. I think that she does like lip liners and lip glosses and all of that to perfection. Her lip glosses are a little bit on the goopy side, but they do give that like boom to the lips. Next, we have something new for me. This is by Tres Luce. This is the volumizing and lengthening mascara. Right now I have way too many mascaras open, so I don't want to open this up and then have it, you know, gain bacteria and dry, but we shall see. It's supposed to be like volumizing and lengthening all in one. It's vegan. So far with Tres Luce, some of the products are just like kind of okay, and then some of them have blown me away. So we shall see about her mascara. And then last in here is something that I want to give to my goddaughter. This is by Iconic London, and this is the Booming and Gleaming eyeshadow palette. It's more of a natural palette, so this is what it looks like. I actually had one from them that was very, very similar, and you guys will see that I decluttered it. And so I don't want to jump into this and try to, you know, do a look or whatever and then have it die in my collection. So Iconic London, their eyeshadows are really, really nice. They blend really nicely. The mattes are very buildable and the shimmers are very pigmented. Give me a second, let me show you that. When I did the declutter of my collection, I did keep this one from them, which I really, really love. This one is more of a warm tone palette, and I really love the shades in here, like the purplies and the orange. And let me just go ahead and swatch some of these so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, their shimmers are just absolutely beautiful, and their mattes are really, really nice and soft. So hopefully you guys will see how gorgeous these are. So really, really buildable, very beautiful palette. I kept this one because of the color story, but I have so many neutral palettes, and I have like over 150 palettes, so I do want to give this to a good home. And I know my goddaughter is really getting into makeup. She's in those teenage years. I swear, like, I think I birthed her because she's really into a lot of the stuff that I love. And I know that she will just like have a field day with that. So I'm going to be sending a few of these things to her. I actually just sent her like 2 boxes full of makeup because I just decluttered so much and I had so many duplicates and stuff like that. I just I'm so excited for her to play with all that stuff. So yeah, so anyways, I feel like the box was good this month. It didn't like fully blow my socks off, but I feel like overall it is a good box. The Iconic London is actually a brand that I really, really love. So the eyeshadow palette is a win. The Translucent Huda Beauty, I'm excited to see that they're putting brands that I recognize more in here. And then we had 2 of the skincare on there. So I feel like overall it was a good month. Let me know what your thoughts were, what your products that you chose were. I'd love to hear from you down below. I'm sorry this isn't a try-on version, but I'm grateful for those who made it to this far in the video. If you did, leave a little purple heart down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.